Now we will write code for sine wave generation. To generate sine wave, we first need a lookup table, as definitely you can understand that we have to give as an input for producing the respective value its sine value. So to represent the magnitude of the sine of the angle between 0 to 360 degree, the values for the sine function vary from -1.0 to +1.0 for 0 to 360 degrees. So therefore that particular table should include the integer numbers representing the respective voltage magnitude for the sine of that particular angle. Now for this particular method we will use only integers, and that is nothing but the output to the DAC by the 8051 microcontroller. We will prepare one table which will include the respective value based on the voltage magnitude and the respective angle and the value. So for example, we can prepare such table with an increment factor of 30 degree, 10 degree, 5 degree. So as many as points if you are going to produce and respective values are produced, then definitely you can smooth out the waveform. If you are going to keep the lookup table with the angle difference of 30 or more than that, that is less number of values, so the gap between two values will be more, and therefore in the generation of the waveform you will get that kind of a say steepness and a smooth sinusoid you will not able to observe. So full scale output of DAC is achieved when data inputs of DAC are high. So therefore to achieve full scale output we will assume that 10 volt output is there. So one equation we will define, and based on that equation we will write our code. So calculation point of view, V out is equal to 5 volt plus 5 into sine of theta. So this equation we will use. V out of DAC for various angles is calculated. V out of DAC calculation is done like, say for example, orally just I am telling in the PPT presentation of the theoretical aspects about DAC and 8051 interfacing. I have given in that presentation the respective table, how exactly it is to be done. Here I want to demonstrate you actual generation of waveform. So orally I am telling the value calculation. Say for example, V out you want to calculate for 0 degree. Our formula is 5 volt plus into bracket 5 volt into sine of theta. So here theta is say 0 degree. So what will be the result? 5 volt plus bracket 5 volt into 0. Sine 0 is 0. So therefore answer is 5 volt. Okay. Now say for example 30 degree. So sine of 30 degree. This is 0.5. Now voltage magnitude will be 5 volt plus into bracket 5 volt into sine of 30 degree. Now sine of 30 degree is 0.5. So if you calculate, it will give you 5 volt plus 5 into 0.5. Sine 30 is 0.5. So total will be 5 volt plus 2.5, that is 7.5. On the same line you can calculate. Now voltage magnitude we have taken, and based on that we are going to generate the respective value which is to be sent to DAC. Now say for example 5 volt plus 5 volt into sine of theta. So here theta we will take, say for example 120 degree. So 120 degree means 0.866 or 60 degree. Same 0.866 or 240 degree. But here it will be minus 0.866. So accordingly you have to substitute that 5 volt into that bracket. You have to do the calculation and add with 5 volt as a reference voltage. So resultant will be produced 5 volt plus 5 into 0.866. It gives 9.33. So every time we are going to take these values and we will form one nice lookup table for all these values. You have to remember that for such calculation of say or a lookup table calculation, you have to decide how many values in the lookup table you want. Like if you want 10 values, if you want 20 values, accordingly you have to prepare that. Now for scaling purpose, value sent to DAC in the form of decimal, what we are going to do is, since our 10 volt is the reference, so to find that value, what we will be doing, 10 256 possible say steps divided by 10 volt. If suppose if we talk about that conversion, so there are total 8-bit DAC it is, so 256 maximum divided by full scale is 256 steps, so divided by 10 volt, so each step will be 25.6, 256 divided by 10, so 25.6. So therefore whatever voltage magnitude we are getting, you have to multiply each one by 25.6, and whatever decimal number we are getting, that is to be given in the form of a magnitude value. So remember how we have done the calculation. As a lookup table, what entries we will be making? First of all, angle. Second column will be sine of theta. Third column will be V out. How we are calculating V out? V out is equal to 5 volt plus into bracket 5 volt into sine of theta, bracket complete, and ultimately the decimal value to be sent is nothing but whatever voltage magnitude we have calculated multiplied by 25.6. So each one, for each angle the calculation will be made. Just since it is whatever full cycle we want, so whatever values you are getting for positive exertion, same values in the magnitude form, sine of theta value you will get only with minus sign, and when you convert it in the form of scaling appropriately, whatever values you are getting, you have to put into the lookup table. So this is general mechanism for the calculation in case of DAC based sine wave generation. Now I will start writing the code, and we will produce sine wave. So this is my new project. Set give name, any name, or serially just I am doing this. So one by one I am naming from 1 to now 15. I give project title. Now select here Atmel 89C51. So this is Atmel 89C51. Okay. Now say here no assembly language we are doing. File, new program. So I will write a simple thing, sine wave generation. I will write the formula. So V out is equal to 5 volt plus bracket 5 volt plus shift plus sine of theta, sorry, 5 volt into, just a moment, sine of, say, theta I want. So here I'm not directly can't write the symbol of theta, so just I will make here into bracket angle value. Okay, now I will demonstrate one. First of all, say V out is equal to 5 volt plus into bracket 5 volt into, say, sine 30 degree. So that is equal to 5 volt plus into bracket 5 volt into 0.5, that is equal to 7.5. okay, 7.3 volt. And in decimal, full scale, for voltage for DAC equal to 10 volt. So step equal to 8-bit DAC, 256 divided by 10. So each value each voltage magnitude multiplied by 25.6 cent to DAC. So this above 7.5 multiplied by 25.6 will be equal to 192. In this manner, prepare lookup table. I will start the program. org 0h, we are going to repeat the loop. So therefore move, we have to store that lookup table somewhere. So for this we will be using dptr pointer. Shift, say table, move, suppose for example total at present I have stored 25 values in my lookup table. So therefore I am using one register for storing the counter value, that is of 25. Then first of all, like this, clear the accumulator. Then one by one let us take the value. Since we have used dptr, so the instruction used will be MOVC. From code memory we are taking that, so it is a part of our code memory. So MOVC, and pointer is to be incremented, the value will be taken a plus dptr. This indexed addressing. then move P1, suppose port 1 I am using, A, then increment dptr, one by one go to the next value in the lookup table, decrement counter, djnz, counter is in R2 register, comma, back, okay, and then sjump again, fine, and some address I will use here for storing my lookup table. So I am using here address org 300 and my table pointer label is table, db directive define byte, and one by one all the values starting with say 5 degree, 10 degree and so on. So with a difference of 5 degree or a 10 degree, 0 degree, whatever you want. Like for 0 degree, what is the value coming? If we put here, see here, this above calculation for 0 degree, what will be 5 volt plus 5 volt into sine of 0. Okay, sine of 0 is 0. So here this line, what you will get, see here 5 volt into 0.5, but here 0.5 is because of this sine 30. If suppose we are taking sine 0, so sine 0 is 0, so 5 volt into 0, that means 0. So only remaining term is 5 volt. But according to DAC requirement, 10 volt as a full scale voltage and 256 possible say in terms of 8-bit DAC the values. So the scale will be 250, each step will be 256 divided by 10, so 25.6. So therefore if suppose it is a 0 degree, then though this term is cancelled, 5 volt will get multiplied by 25.6 and the resultant will be 128. So that's why for 0 degree my lookup table entry that value is 128 and so on. So I have prepared here one table of tentative 25 values with 160, 192, 218, then 238, 250, 255, again 250, 238. So equal levels sine wave as far as consider when you are coming down. So that decreasing portion 218, 192, 160. Just instead of writing all the values in the single line, I am just differentiation purpose I am doing this. So again define byte, and here I will do semicolon, and now rest of the values the repetition, almost positive portion and the negative portion, comma, but the only thing is that since it is that middle sign is getting minus, so therefore the value resultant decimal value will go on decreasing. So 64, 37, 18, 5, 0, 5, 18, again same thing, 37. So on positive cycle and negative cycle I have covered both. So 64, then 96, and once again 0. So this is 128. So approximately these values are calculated. So you can generate with the difference of 1 degree or like that. You can do that, no issue. End. Over. Save. First of all give name sine wave 1 dot asm. Save. Now first of all we will take into source group 1, right click, add file. So here sine wave, add. Now close this. So open this and build. If any error is there, it will show, otherwise no errors, no warning. Then debug, start debug. We will be using port 1. So open this logic analyzer, set up port we want P1, enter, close this, and now run. This is your sine wave. See here. Fine. It's a good one. This is the nice waveform which we can generate by using the lookup table. If you reduce number of values, so approximately here I have entered 25 values with the difference, if suppose 1 degree difference, total 360 values if we input, we will get very smooth waveform. In the lookup table if you produce, you will get smooth waveform. If you are going to keep less number of values with a difference of 30 degree or 60 degree, then your waveform you will get here this kind of say, here you can see here, this is step by step. DAC is doing step by step conversion. So every digital value is going to get converted into analog value, but it is not doing anything instantaneously. So it is taking its own time, and accordingly the stepping is done. So here you can see that this is the portion where that 128 is appearing, and this is smoothing out all the consecutive values. Getting this, you can observe. So this is your sine wave. Thank you.